Nikky Feeding Souls. Sawadika, welcome to the Nikky Feeding Soul cooking segment, and today I am so excited to share with you red curry. It is the super soul feeding curry of all times. I have people coming in across the city to come and have red curry because all the flavors that come into the red curry is just so soul feeding. We always have to start with the red curry paste. You know, in Thailand, they would be making this paste all day long in their pestle and mortar, and it has all these beautiful herbs. But in the States, we can buy this in a can. There's no preservatives. It is all fresh, and we just really have to appreciate all the work that went into how they make this amazing curry paste. The way to release all the fragrance into the curry is about the beginning of the step. So, like I said, Thai food, quick, easy, and the goal is to impress the entire family. You guys are ready? Let's do this. We have a beautiful pot ready to go. You add a little bit of just vegetable oil, any kind of oil that you like. However, I do not recommend olive oil because it can overpower the chili paste. We have the red chili paste. If you like it spicy, add more. If you don't overdo it. You can always come back and add flavors later. Oh my goodness. Smells like Thailand. Oh, that was an easy trip. Super awesome. And it is super simple. I am going to let that just kind of hang out a few minutes, get all the oils that can come out of all these amazing herbs. There's kefir lime skin, not the leaves in these normally, lemongrass, galangal, peppercorn, chili, dried red chili that creates this red, beautiful red color. And you can see the one thing you definitely do not want to do is burn it. So I have my heat on medium, and now I'm gonna add just a little bit of the coconut milk to really get it going. Ooh, my pot is nice and hot. I got some bubbles going on, and you get to really release the curry from the bottom of the pan. Most important is your protein. You want to make sure your protein is cooked. Today, we're doing it with chicken. You can literally do it with any kind of protein that you like, whether it be shrimp, tofu, any vegetables that you want to add to this, you can definitely add as well. Because this is your curry, you're feeding your soul with your favorite things. Don't be super strict about what you want to put into your dish, because you want to make sure that you're gonna love it as much as everybody else. Even though you're trying to feed everyone, at the end of the day, you're feeding yourself and your soul. So you wanna make sure that the chicken is cooked. So amazing! My goodness. Thai food is simple, easy, and delicious. Now that our chicken is almost all the way cooked, you also want to make sure when you cut your chicken, you slice them very evenly so they cook evenly in the pot. There we go. Beautiful. Now we are going to add the rest of the curry milk, and normally just 1 can will work. Oh, that sound. It's beautiful. And you can see all the oils that were released from the red curry. I have my heat back up on high, and now it's the time to season. Thai food is all about the 4 S's. We have the salty, the sweet, the spicy, and the sour. In the red curry itself, the true flavors that come up will be the salty and the spicy. So we're gonna add some fish sauce to our curry base, as well, add a little hint of some sugar just to get that beautiful even season of flavor. And then we're gonna let that come back to a boil. Add all our other seasonings, and voila, we are almost done. The most popular ingredients that goes into a red curry is bamboo shoots. You can also get these in your regular supermarkets now. People love it. You add it to your curry. I'm gonna add all of our bamboo shoots here. I love that little crunchy, and because it doesn't have a lot of flavor, it takes up on all the beautiful flavors of the red curry. And bell pepper. Let's just add some more redness to it. You want to either, I would say, just in strips would work. If you want them in cubes, you can also do them in cubes. I'll show you 2 different ways to add your bell pepper. And to add another layer of beautiful redness, I would add these cayenne peppers. They will add some heat to your red curry, but at the end of the day, it makes it really beautiful. How awesome is that? Cannot go wrong. I do have fresh basil. Again, I love leaving all the basil to the end because when you have fresh herbs, you don't want them just to disappear into your dish. You want to make sure that it really lightens and brightens the beautiful curry that you make. So there you have it. Super simple. Let it come back to a boil. Let all the flavors come together. And just like anything, you need to taste your food. Season it to the best flavors that feeds your soul. It smells so good. My goodness. Again, it tastes just like Thailand. Short trip back home. That's perfect. I don't have to add anything else. The only thing I'm gonna add is some beautiful basil. And how about just a little bit more? I love basil. It is just, it's just like your grandma's garden in your bowl. There we go. I am going to serve it in one of these beautiful bowls they have ready for me. So now that your red curry has come back to a boil, oh my goodness, all those flavors that came out. A facial steam with red curry is not a bad way to end your day. We got beautiful chicken. We have the beautiful red we have the beautiful red bell peppers, some bamboo shoots, and I mean, basil just makes this dish so beautiful. I am gonna top it off with a little bit more fresh basil, and it is ready to serve. The best way to eat your red curry, I would highly recommend it with Thai jasmine rice. Jasmine rice is the way to go, guys. There you have it, your red curry. Simple, easy, from Nikky's Kitchen. Keep watching. We have a few more beautiful recipes to come, and don't forget to continue to feed your soul, Soul Foodies. I enjoy inspiring you through food, travel, and culture. ขอบคุณค่ะ Nikky Feeding Souls.